How much should you actually spend on track lighting rails? People love the cheap ones, but often regret the pricier options. It's interesting how price doesn't always reflect quality in the world of lighting. Product number 1. Eye-creating 26-foot H-Track lighting rails. The eye-creating 26-foot H-Track lighting rails kit, priced at $107.99. What caught my eye was the all-inclusive kit vibe. If you want a complete setup for your lighting needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes 8 pieces of 3.28-foot H-Track lighting rails and a full set of connectors. That means you can easily create a customized layout to fit your space. Plus, with a sturdy aluminum alloy construction and high conductivity copper, you're looking at a durable, long-lasting solution. The installation is straightforward. Just connect the wires and you're good to go. Now, some people complained about the weight at nearly 10 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for stability and durability, a bit of extra weight can actually be a positive. It ensures your lights won't sag or move easily once installed. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, reliable lighting solution that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need something ultra-light for easy installation. Considering the features, it's definitely good value for money. Now, if that weight issue bothered you, the next option might take a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Eye-creating 65.6-foot H-Track lighting rails. The eye-creating 65.6-foot H-Track lighting rails kit, retailing at $249.99. This one caught my attention with its extensive 65.6-foot length and all the accessories included. If you want a more expansive lighting system, this is definitely worth a serious look. What stands out here is the flexibility it offers. With 20 pieces of 3.28-foot rails and a variety of connectors, you can craft a lighting design that fits any room or commercial space perfectly. The durable aluminum alloy and copper components mean it's built to last, and the easy installation makes it accessible for everyone, even if you're not a DIY expert. However, some users have mentioned the price as a bit steep for a track lighting system. But here's the thing. If you're lighting a large space or need versatile options, investing a little more can pay off in the long run. This is ideal for you if you're looking to illuminate a larger area or want a customizable lighting setup. Skip this one if your space is small and doesn't require such an extensive solution. Considering what it offers, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tight budgets.
Product number 3. Xanaxor 52FT H-Track lighting rails. Let's talk about the Xanaxor 52FT H-Track lighting rail kit, priced at $209.99. What really stood out to me was the high-quality aluminum construction, making it not just durable, but stylish. If you want a sleek look with excellent functionality, this is worth considering. This kit includes 16 pieces of 3.28-foot rails, which gives you plenty of leeway to create a lighting system tailored to your space. The pure copper core means your lights will shine bright without flickering, which is crucial for a pleasant ambiance. Plus, the installation is made easier with instructions and all necessary accessories included. Some users did mention the connectors being a bit tricky to handle during installation. Here's the thing though. Once you get the hang of it, they actually provide a secure fit that ensures your lights stay in place. This is perfect for you if you want a quality lighting solution that's easy to customize. Skip this if you're looking for something that requires zero installation effort. For the price and quality, it's a great deal. If you found the previous option a bit too basic, the next one is designed for those who want a bit more style.
Product number 4. Xanaxor 39FT H-Track lighting rails. We have the Xanaxor 39FT H-Track lighting rail kit, available for $169.99. This option initially caught my eye with its balanced pricing and decent length for smaller spaces. If you want something that doesn't overwhelm but still gets the job done, this could be your pick. The kit includes 12 pieces of 3.28-foot rails, which is perfect for homes where you don't need an extensive setup. It's made from high-quality aluminum, ensuring both durability and a modern look. The lights can slide and rotate along the track, allowing you to adjust them as needed. Easy installation is a big plus here, with 2 wiring options available. However, some users mention that the parts feel a bit less sturdy compared to heavier options. But here's the deal. It's designed for residential use, so it's lightweight for easy handling without sacrificing functionality. This is great for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet functional lighting solution for your home. Skip this if you need something for commercial spaces that requires more heavy-duty components. Considering the price, it's a solid value for casual use. Now, if the previous product didn't have the length you wanted, the last one on our list might fit the bill perfectly.
Product number 5. iCreating 40-foot H-Track lighting rails. Let's look at the iCreating 40-foot H-Track lighting rails kit, priced at $169.99. This caught my attention for being a happy medium in terms of length and cost. If you want a reliable lighting system without overspending, this is worth your time. This kit includes 12 pieces of 3.28-foot rails and a variety of connectors, allowing you to create a custom setup to light your space effectively. The solid aluminum construction ensures durability, while the easy installation lets you have your lights up in no time. It's designed to fit both residential and commercial environments, which is a nice touch. However, some reviews pointed out that it can feel a bit cramped for larger installations. Here's the thing, if you have a smaller space or just need targeted lighting, this will work just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something practical for a medium-sized area. Skip this if you have a vast area that needs extensive lighting. For what it offers, it's a solid deal. In conclusion, we've looked at some fantastic options for track lighting rails today. From budget-friendly choices to more expansive setups, there's something for everyone here, whether you need something simple for your home or a more complex installation for a business.
To quickly recap, we discussed the iCreating 26.6 feet, iCreating 65.6 feet, Xanaxor 52 feet, Xanaxor 39 feet, and iCreating 40 feet track lighting rails. Each has its strengths and weaknesses based on your specific needs, whether you're after affordability, length, or durability. Hopefully you found the right fit for your space. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.